Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this video, I want to introduce you to the warranty information dashboard that's available with Right-Click Tools Insights inside of the Recast management server, otherwise known as RMS. For those of you who are familiar with Endpoint Insights is now Right-Click Tools Insights. And Right-Click Tools Insights has a great feature where it automatically will collect your warranty information. So no more going out to the HP website or the Dell website, typing in those serial numbers and updating spreadsheets. It's all centrally managed by Right-Click Tools Insights and automatically collected for you and populated into a nice dashboard within the Recast management server. So let's go ahead and jump into the dashboard itself. So right now I'm in RMS. We have an Insights tab here. I'm gonna go ahead and open that. Now, if we wanna see an overview of all of our devices, if we click into our warranty information here, it's gonna bring us to our Devices tab first. This will provide a list of all of our devices, including the device name, manufacturer, model, serial number, and then some more information about how long the warranty has left, when it starts, when it ends, and how old the device is itself. So from here, we could click into the manufacturer and just see that manufacturer. Another nice feature here, if we're using the Right-Click Tools browser extension, we can go ahead and highlight the device name and access our Right-Click Tools menu as well here. So we could go ahead and pull up one of our tools if we wanted to. Let's hop over to the dashboard itself. So from the dashboard, we get a couple of different sections here. We get devices by warranty status, so we can see how many active warranty devices we have, how many are expired, and then how many are expiring soon. Off to the right-hand side, we get the warranty expiration timeline. So this is for the upcoming months, how many devices are expiring in each month. If we click into it, we'll get the devices that are expiring in the month that we clicked on. And the final section of our dashboard is devices by manufacturer. So you'll see all of our devices here. You'll notice that we even have some Apple devices in here as well. So if we click into that, we'll see all of our iPads and iPhones that are being managed by Intune. And we can also see some warranty information about those devices as well. So instead of tracking down warranty details for individual devices or doing bulk lookups on the manufacturer's website, we are collecting all of that device warranty information for you across hundreds of OEMs, populating that into a nice little dashboard, so it makes it a little bit easier for you to plan for future device refreshes. That was just a quick look at the warranty information dashboard available within Right-Click Tools Insights.